Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. My name's Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. You can find all directions for all of my projects that you see on Facebook over at my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. So I apologize for running late this morning. I don't know what happened. I completely overslept. You know, I think we're all in this, and it's like I never ever do this, but we're all kind of struggling right now, and so I'm going to share that with you. And that's all there is to it. But I've got my coffee. I've got some sunny Ornate Garden paper. And this is what we're going to be working with today. We're going to make a really sweet, simple card, sure to cheer anybody up who receives it. This Ornate Garden paper is gorgeous. And on the back, it's specialty paper. So you have this gold foil here on the back. But today we're going to use this bright, sunny set and a piece of So Saffron. Now, the colors, there's a sneak peek of this new bumblebee in color that's coming in just a month or so. A month if you're a demonstrator. You have to wait until June if you're a customer. But So Saffron is a beautiful, beautiful yellow to use with this. So we are using, again, a Whisper White card base in thick Whisper White at 5.5 by 8.5. And I have this piece of Whisper White, which is 5 1/8 and 3 7/8. Sorry, I was looking for my embossing folder. Give me just a second. Well, it was here just a second ago. You know those things that get up and walk away, but we're going to use a different one. This is the stone embossing folder from Celebration, so if you still have that one, or if you got that one, it was in the Power of Hope bundle, it'll be beautiful. Whoops. I need the blue plate. Give that back. So I'm going to run that through. And again, all measurements can be found over on my blog later this morning. So now I'm going to take this piece right here, but this is 3 7/8 by 3. And using my Stampin' Trimmer, I'm going to, I'm going to angle this, put this left corner down in the cutting tray, and I'm just going to cut in an angle. Then I'm going to put this right here, like so. I see the sunshine is out today. It's going to be beautiful. And then just line that up. Then I've cut a little border here with the Ornate borders. And this is in early espresso. And I see just real quick, I'm just gonna go through and get all those little pieces. Good morning, Sean and Crystal and Kathy. Oh, it's good to see everybody. This little ornate scallop border is so, so pretty. Okay. Move those out of the way. Use those for confetti later. And I'm going to just cover that seam right there. Okay. On the back. It's not going to take very much. And it can even overhang a little bit. Okay. Angle that to where you like it. And then we're going to take our snips and just trim along the side. Okay. Now it's ready to put on your card. Next, I have some of this old olive satin ribbon that comes in a duo in the Ornate Garden pack. And I'm going to tie a bow. This super sweet ribbon. Bows are super easy with this one. Trim your ends. Oops. And put that right there. Next, grab a piece of Whisper White cardstock. And your Ornate Thanks stamp set. All right. And what should we put on here? Let's see. How about your kindness is so loved? That is a beautiful sentiment. I'm going to stamp in early espresso. To match the colors in of the border and of the designer series paper. And I have my Stampin' Trimmer here. And And I'm just going to line that up. I'm going to add it right there with just a few dimensionals. What do you think? That would cheer anybody up. So here's one that I made over the weekend. And I used the gold faceted gems that come in the Ornate Garden Suite. And I used mint macaron with the embossing folder that comes in the Ornate Garden Suite. So they're same card, two different ways, two different colors. Which one do you like best? This card happens to be one of the ones in the mega tutorial that I am giving away for free when you purchase any stamp set, bundle, or the whole collection of the Ornate Garden Suite. So give it a try. There's information on my blog. I believe there are 17 or 18 cards in that tutorial, which is going to be amazing. All right, so have a wonderful day. I will see you tomorrow for another project using the Ornate Garden Suite, and that one is going to be a little more ornate. All right, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.